What is going on, guys? Hope everybody's having a good Memorial Day weekend. Let's not forget what this is really about. This is to our fallen soldiers, and we want to thank all our servicemen and women for their sacrifice, for what they do for us, so that we can do this. Today I'm going to bring you a different video, and I'm going to start doing a segment of this. I'm going to show you how to cook healthy meals in the truck in under 10 minutes. Okay? But I'm going to need some help from you. I'm going to need you to give me one of these, because you guys are awesome, and it helps out the channel. And I need you to put down in the description what kind of healthy foods you like, and what are you trying to do out here on the road to get yourself fit and healthy, because that's what we need to do. That should be one of the staples in your job, because if you're not healthy, then you can't make money. Because if you're eating well, sleeping well, and hydrating, you're going to be able to drive farther, get more done, and not stroke out on the road. And that's what we don't want to do. We want to stay healthy. Do some exercise, work out, walk around the rest area, walk around the truck stop on your 30-minute break. Put some headphones in, listen to an iPad or whatever, iPhone, or listen to a podcast, whatever it takes to get your motor, something you want to learn to do. Listen to it, walk around, get moving. That's what we need to do. But anyway, coming 10-minute meal in the truck. Today we're making a stir fry, and you can add whatever you want to it. I'm going to show you the vegetables that I use, and it's an evening meal, so I don't use a lot of carbs at night. I do my carbs in the morning. So you can add quinoa to it, you can add rice, you can add brown rice, you can add Asian noodles, whatever you like, you can put in it. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and let's get going. Okay guys, so I took some time and I cut some red peppers right here on the counter of the Freightliner. Got some carrots. We got some broccoli, celery, and on the bottom we got some asparagus. So we're going to cut these up. I cut them all up, get them prepared. Now you want to take your chicken and you want to slice it really thin so it cooks really fast. Okay, so I got a nice chicken breast here, organic, grass-fed, all that good shit. That's the way I like to do it. And I filleted it down the center there. And then what I'll do is I'll slice it in thin slices so that it cooks really fast and you're not spending a lot of time. Okay, we got the chicken all nice and sliced up nice and thin. And be careful with chicken. You gotta make sure you clean up the area, the space that you're using really good, because you could get salmonella. So what I do is when I'm done cooking, I'll put water in the skillet and I'll clean all my items with a paper towel and when I'm done, and then I will clean the pan itself. So let's get to cooking. Season the chicken gently, or however you like it. Cook it like you like it. I just put a little salt and a little Himalayan salt and some pepper, because the stir fry mix I'm going to use is going to really get the flavor going anyway. So let's get this in the pan. Okay guys, so I'm using, when I cook, I use an organic extra virgin olive oil, but you don't have to use it because it's only going to cook away anyway, so you don't want to use your good olive oil when cooking, okay? You just want to use whatever you got. So the chicken's in, 2 minutes on each side, because it's going to cook some more in the stir fry, and it's cut really thin, so you don't really, it's gonna cook really fast. Okay, I got this on like 350, the skillet. This is just a Walmart skillet, man, like 25 bucks. And believe me, you're gonna wish you had one, because it's gonna save you health, man. Just like I'm down today, I'm gonna cook this for 2 days, 2 dinners, and it's nothing but vegetables and chicken. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. Or you can go in Burger King, man, and get your Whopper. Whatever works for you. It doesn't work for me. Okay, so I have to do this. There you go, guys. There's the chicken. It's ready to rock and roll. Now we're going to drop the vegetables here, and that's all we're going to do. You're not going to clean the pan. You're not going to do that. Boom. Drop in the vegetables. Okay? Now, the trick to this is cook it a little bit. Drop a little water in there, let it steam, cook in here, and you'll be good to go. Just look at that, don't that look fantastic? Looks like you're ready to sit down in a beautiful restaurant. So, yeah, so I'll show you what sauce we're gonna use here, and we'll go from there. All right, so just let them vegetables cook. If you want the recipe, just let me know in the description. I will send it to you. It's free because I like you guys. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, all you do now is we're going to steam the vegetables here with some water, let them cook for like 10 minutes, drop the chicken in, put the sauce in, we're done. Let it cook for another 3 minutes. Use this House of Sang, whatever it is, General Toso sauce. It's a little spicy, that's the way I like it. So we're going to drop that in there, and it's going to be... Guys, you can make the same dish in an Instapot. Okay, or you can make it in a skillet like I'm doing. Okay, so you can put all the vegetables in an Instapot, cook the chicken. I like my chicken a little bit cooked, you know, with a brown on the outside, so that's why I do it in the skillet. You can do the same thing on saute in an Instapot. So, you know, either way, whatever you got, use what you got. Just to get it rolling. Okay. And you can mix that right in your sauce. You can put your sauce in now if you want, but I'm going to let these cook a little bit more. You know, let's go ahead and drop the sauce in. There it is, the magic. You know, you can make your own sauce too. You ain't got to buy the store-bought. But you know what? That's good enough for me. I wish it was organic. They didn't have it, but you know, we're gonna use what we got. Then we just drop the chicken in, man, and that's it. Boom, chicken in. We're done. We just let it cook for a little bit. You want the vegetables a little crunchy, or if you like them soft, let it cook more. That's why I don't cook the chicken all the way, because it is going to be in this for a while. Oh, guys, that's the food there. Look at that steam come out. You can, you know, I do low carbs at night. You know, I keep my carbs low at night. So, but you can put quinoa in here. You can put rice. You can do whatever you like. You can put in here. This meal goes with anything. I use a lot of vegetables. You know, a little bit of protein and mainly vegetables. That's what I try to eat. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you make it. If you need the recipe, let me know. And the cleanup again is just throw some water in here, rinse it out, heat it up, the water, and it's clean. These pans clean themselves. No big deal. So there you go, guys. Finished product. This meal is cooked under 10 minutes in the truck. It's healthy. It's flavorful. You're not going to find anything better out on the road than cooking your own food, unless you can go stop at a restaurant. But my food's better than a restaurant. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you like these kind of videos, and I'll make some more if you guys are interested. I'll give you 10-minute meals in the truck, and you know, that's it. Take care, enjoy.